ways to create a purchase order. The first way would be to create one manually. And manually, you would simply come up to this plus button and you would select PO or purchase order. Then you would add your PO number, select your supplier, make sure that the date is correct. So if you needed to backdate it, you could do that. Then select the products and the number of units you're ordering for each. Add the cost per unit if necessary, and then select your lead time. If it's going to Amazon, you would need to select the marketplace, and then you can go ahead and save and preview. Once you have looked and seen that it is all correct, you can submit your order. This will make it active. You can email it if you like, but you don't have to. And then you will see that the status is marked as active. The other way to create a purchase order would be to start from the forecast, and this is the more common way. You would go into your forecast, and we have it filtered by orders by supplier. So each supplier has its own list of products that need to be produced. You can come up to the orders within 30 days, and it will pull up any orders that you need to place within the next 30 days. For the sake of this example, I'm just going to select orders by supplier, and then you can see all of the orders that need to be placed by the supplier. This is the green buttons here. So let's say, for example, we did not want to order this product. We can deselect it, and that's going to change this button up top. This button is going to indicate everything that you're going to order. Every single SKU, every single unit. So if I deselect one of these, that number changes. Once I select this button, it's actually going to build that PO for me. So the process that we just went through manually, most of that process is going to already be figured out by the system. So you would just have to add your PO number and check that everything is correct. If there are multiple shipments needed, for example, to go to multiple locations, it will already build that out for you. And again, you scroll down, click Save and Preview. If there is any product that is going to go to your warehouse, it's going to build a work order to send the item to your warehouse, and it's going to give additional instructions to the warehouse on what to do with that inventory. Then you go to Preview. You check your purchase order to make sure it's correct. It shows all your shipments. Then your work order gives instructions to the warehouse on what to do with your work order, and then you submit it. All right, and that's as easy as it is.